Okay, in this video I'm going to show how to subtract using base 10 drawings. When you're subtracting, you only draw the first number. So if I'm solving the equation 352 minus 164, I'm only going to be drawing 352. So I'll represent 352 with 3 flats for the 300, 5 longs, and 2 units. Okay, I'm not going to draw 164, I'm going to be crossing it out. So I'm going to start with the ones. 164 has 4 ones, so I would cross off 4 of the units. There are only 2 here, so I'm going to have to break a 10 into 10 units. So I'm going to show that by crossing it out and drawing an arrow to where I draw my group of 10 units that I'm breaking this 10 into. I'm not subtracting here, I'm only breaking a 10. Okay, now I can cross off my 4 units to show that I'm subtracting them. Now I can move over to the tens place, and I've noticed in 164 there are 6 tens. I only have 4 tens here, so I'm going to have to break 100. So I'm going to cross it off and draw an arrow to where I draw my 10 longs that I'm now breaking this 100 into. This is called breaking 100. Okay, now I have enough longs where I can cross off 6 of them to subtract. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I just showed subtracting 60 with my drawing. So now I can move over to the hundreds. In the number 164, there's 100. So I'm going to cross off a flat to show subtracting 100. To find the difference for 352 minus 164, I'm now going to see how much I have left in my base 10 drawing. So I can tell that I have 100. Sometimes I tell the kids to redraw the grouping at the bottom just so they can really see the number represented. Some of them can go ahead and just count them and they can keep track well enough that they really don't need to. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I have 8 longs and 8 units. So the number represented is 188 because I have 100 left, 8 longs, and 8 units. So 188. So 352 minus 164 equals 188.